Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to check out the REOLINK Duo Floodlight Wi-Fi.
Yeah, that's hard to say,
It is a little hard to say.
but REOLINK sent us this for the review.
And here it is. So we've already taken it out of the box and hooked it up.
I know I couldn't resist because it's so cool looking. Look at it, it looks like a spaceship.
Doo, 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 doo.
So let's take a look at what's here. So you have the REOLINK Duo camera. This is the model that has 8 megapixels. It's 4K. There's 2 lenses up front here because it sees at 180 degrees. So from side to side, it sees everything. It's pretty amazing. You have to attach the antennas because it's Wi-Fi based. It's 2.4 gigahertz, and you just basically out of the box, you just basically.
It's actually 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. It's
Ooh,
dual band.
Oh, dual band. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's great. So you just basically mount the camera here to this little base unit. The lights come already on here, and then this back over here, you just have to hook up this little device here, which is basically the power adapter. You mount this to the wall. You bolt it to your wall wherever you want to hook it up, and then you plug it into a power outlet. That's it. It's pretty straightforward. These 2 lights here are pretty bright. What does it say on the box?
It says 2,000 lumens.
Wow. That's it. It's pretty nice. It's got a pretty good little bit of weight to it, but it's totally adjustable. You just basically loosen up the screws in this unit and make the adjustments, and you're all set.
So we're going to go out, install it, and show you how it works.
Before we review some of the captured video, let's see how easy it is to install in some key settings. The REOLINK app walks you through the installation. Select the plus to add, and then you have a choice to add via QR code or via the LAN. Since we hooked up the camera to our router via an Ethernet cable, we chose the LAN method. The app sees the camera. You select it and then answer a few questions, providing a password to the camera, naming the camera, and providing your Wi-Fi info. As a nice touch, you have an option to save a QR code for sharing or other maintenance. Selecting the camera on the main screen opens Live View. From here you can set key parameters. Device info gives you all the detail about the camera, like IP address and firmware, and how much storage you have. We do recommend using an SD card to store locally. A cloud service is also available. Display lets you adjust video parameters. Quality lets you define both clear, which is the best, and fluent, which is handy if you have a slow Wi-Fi connection. Since we have a strong Wi-Fi connection, we maxed out the parameters. Detection alarm is where you set up motion capture. Here, you can define zones not to detect in. Sensitivity, smart detection, lets you set sensitivity to people, pets, and vehicles. Camera recording lets you define how long after a motion event to capture, 15, 30, or 60 seconds. And schedule lets you set times for each type of detection, any, person, vehicle, or pet. You may want to turn off any motion to limit recording. Advanced lets you enable audio recording, plus set up the IR light mode, and the floodlight intensity as well. For night mode, auto, off, or always at night. You can even set a schedule. In live mode, you can rotate the phone and get a larger picture. This is great since the Duo has such a wide view. The playback icon lets you look through the captured video. Click one of the clips to play. You can also download it. We downloaded a daytime clip that captured me walking around. Well, as you can see, I need to do a little yard work. It's a wide view, records sound very well, and records the entire scene. But the camera works really well. You can see all the backyard over here from the camera. Here you can see that the IR lights do a great job of capturing detail at night. And with the floodlights on, you get a clear color night picture. The IR lights in the camera are so good, you can even see the bugs moving through the scene. With motion detection at night, you can see once I entered the camera view, the floodlights came on and the picture changed to a color view. Spotlights came right on. We really like the Duo Floodlight. It was an easy install, detection was solid, and the picture quality day or night is excellent. Thank you for watching.